Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are baking a moist orange cake with oil. It's a super easy non-fuss recipe that you will be able to follow perfectly. The cake turns out moist, delicious and orangey. You could replace the orange with Kinnow or mandarin. Do subscribe for easy, tried and tested recipes. I'm using a Kinnow in place of orange. I'm using a microplane to take out the zest, which is the outer portion of the skin that is orange in color. You don't want to reach the white part of it. You could also use a sharp knife. Then I'll just cut it in half. And extract the juice. For this recipe, you'll need about a cup of orange juice, or as I'm using, Kinnow juice. This is an 8-inch ring cake or bundt cake pan. I'll grease it with a bit of butter. You could use oil in place of butter if you want. Once that is nicely greased, I'll give it a dusting of flour. Tap it and roll it around to coat the greased pan. And then just tap the pan to shake off the excess. The dry ingredients first. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, Maida. 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder. A pinch of salt. Then either sift it 2-3 times or use a whisk to mix it up. Keep this aside. I have taken a large bowl and added 3/4 cups of vegetable oil. This is sunflower oil that I'm using today. And 1/4 cup of melted butter. You could use 1 cup of oil, but I always like to add a little bit of butter. That tastes really good. 3 eggs. 1 cup of breakfast sugar or caster sugar, superfine sugar, and a cup of Kinnow juice or orange juice if you're using oranges. A teaspoon of vanilla essence. 1/2 tablespoon of the zest. All we have to do is run the mixer and mix everything up. That's done. Alternatively, you could put all these ingredients into a mixer jar and blend it in the mixer. Time to combine the dry ingredients. So the first time, add a little bit portion of the flour and mix it well. Get rid of the lumps. I have switched to the whisk. And then add in the rest of it in 2 parts. If you like the video, share it with your friends and write your feedback in the comment section. Mix gently to get a smooth batter. That looks good. Pour it into the prepared pan. This batter smells orangey. Yum. So just give it a light tap a few times and you'll see all the bubbles bursting. This has been preheating to 180 degrees. And I'll bake the cake at 170 degrees. Just got it out of the oven. It took 30 minutes in my oven to bake. The skewer came out clean. That's done. Let it cool down completely. Now it has cooled down completely and you can see that it's leaving the sides of the pan. That's a good sign. So it's time to get it out of its mold. Flip it using a plate. Wow, that looks beautiful. Serve the cake at tea time or as an anytime snack. Or you could even pack it to go and enjoy.